They hadn't checked in for days, so we went out to find them. A single dot on the map, no movement, no answer, just silence. With sun at our backs, we walked into a place already forgotten. We were 7, then 5, no screams, no signs, just gone. Static, whispers, a message too late or too far to hear. The flare rose, not as a signal to fight but to survive. He wrote everything he saw, what we lost, what we became. A sharp crack rang out, then chaos erupted across the dunes. Pinned down, Rafiq's squad held the line, low on time and ammo. With one final push, they cleared the flank just long enough to escape. The enemy was gone, but so was the trail. The mission had changed.